Welcome back to Day 7 of NCERT Biology 365. Today, we analyze the semi-autonomous powerhouses of the cell, mitochondria and plastids. Open your textbooks to section 8.5.4. NCERT starts with a vital microscopic detail. Mitochondria are not easily visible under a microscope unless they are specifically stained. Memorize their exact dimensions. They are sausage-shaped or cylindrical, with a diameter of 0.2 to 1.0 micrometers, averaging 0.5, and a length of 1.0 to 4.1 micrometers. These precise numbers are frequent targets for assertion-reason questions.
The mitochondrion is double membrane bound. The outer membrane forms a continuous limiting boundary, while the inner membrane folds inward to form cristae, increasing the available surface area for ATP synthesis. Within the inner compartment lies the matrix. The matrix contains a single circular DNA molecule, some RNA, 70S ribosomes, and proteins. Because of this, it is semi-autonomous. Finally, highlight this crucial evolutionary trait. Mitochondria divide by fission, similar to prokaryotic bacteria.
Now let's examine plastids. Found in all plant cells and euglenoids, they are classified into chloroplasts, chromoplasts, and leucoplasts based on their pigments. Leucoplasts are colorless plastids of varied shapes and sizes that store nutrients. NCERT defines 3 specific types that you must memorize. Amyloplasts store carbohydrates, such as starch, commonly found in potatoes. Elaioplasts store oils and fats, and Aleuroplasts store proteins. Examiners love to swap these storage profiles and match the column questions. The chloroplasts are mainly found in leaf mesophyll cells. They measure 5 to 10 micrometers in length and 2 to 4 in width. The chloroplast is bound by a double membrane. Note this subtle NCERT line. The inner chloroplast membrane is relatively less permeable. The space limited by this inner membrane is the stroma, which contains thylakoids, flattened membranous sacs arranged in stacks like piles of coins, called grana. These grana are interconnected by flat membranous tubules, called stroma lamellae. Let's analyze the chloroplast stroma. It contains the enzymes required for the synthesis of carbohydrates and proteins. But here is a structural detail. While mitochondrial DNA is described simply as circular, the chloroplast stroma contains small, double-stranded circular DNA molecules. It also houses 70S ribosomes, which are smaller than the eukaryotic cytoplasm's 80S ribosomes. This dual presence of 70S ribosomes and circular DNA in both mitochondria and chloroplasts supports the endosymbiotic theory. We have covered mitochondria and plastids. Now, click the link in the description and complete the Day 7 CBT practice quiz to test your memory. Also watch our Day 6 podcast form. Tomorrow, on Day 8, we move into ribosomes, the cytoskeleton, and the structures of cilia and flagella. Click to subscribe and keep your daily streak going.